Good afternoon, everyone. We're glad you're here. Welcome to the Stock Pot. So this is a team building. We're here to have fun, and to make sure that happens, we have a chef for each team. So the object of this exercise is to be creative. We've given you recipes, but the recipes are only meant to be just as a kind of a map or a guide, just something to get your mind starting, because we hope that you will be even more creative. How you put it together is what the team effort is going to be all about. We'll get started cooking.
Even though I'll be thinking about outsourcing the entire department tonight. Some scary things that I saw, but no, I just appreciate what you all do. So thank you.
And Matt, thank you for paying for it.